I just automated my entire WordPress workflow in 5 minutes without writing a single line of code. Let me show you exactly what happened. I used to spend hours every week manually updating customer data between WooCommerce and my email platform, then copying form submissions to my CRM, then triggering welcome sequences for new users. It was eating up entire afternoons. That's when I discovered WPZap. It's like having Zapier built directly into WordPress. I dragged a trigger box onto the canvas, connected it to an action box, set my conditions, done. Now when someone buys my course, it automatically adds them to my email sequence, updates their user role, and sends their info to my CRM, all without me lifting a finger. I've built 47 workflows so far. Each one saves me at least 30 minutes per week. The visual builder makes it simple enough for anyone. No coding knowledge required. Click the link below to get WPZap and automate your WordPress workflows today.